Here we have a Volkswagen Polo Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre, 65 PS, SE Evo. Now as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include automatic LED headlights, hill hold control, hydraulic brake assist and an automatic post-collision braking system. It also comes with 15-inch alloy wheels as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes a multifunction colour display, wireless app connect and a composition media system with USB. For more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.